Welcome, you absolute food lovers. Today, we're diving headfirst into the magnificent, soul-warming world of Pakistani Nihari, a dish so rich, so aromatic, so incredibly tender, it'll make you question every other stew you've ever tasted. I swear it, this isn't just a beef stew. It's an experience. A symphony of spices and slow-cook magic that demands respect and delivers pure culinary bliss. Forget dry, flavorless cuts. We're going for succulent, fall-off-the-bone perfection that will absolutely blow your mind. Trust me. Right, let's talk ingredients, the backbone of any truly exceptional dish. For our magnificent Nihari, you'll need 2 pounds of beautiful, bone-in beef shank. Cut into substantial pieces, this is where all that incredible gelatin and flavor comes from. Don't skimp. We'll also be using 1/2 cup of ghee, 3 large onions thinly sliced, a generous 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of our secret Nihari masala blend, which you can buy or make, but I'll tell you how important it is. A cup of yogurt, and some fresh cilantro, green chilies, and thinly sliced ginger for garnish. Presentation is everything. Remember, prep work, people. This is where champions are made. First, take those gorgeous beef shanks and give them a good rinse. Then pat them absolutely bone dry with kitchen paper. Excess moisture means no beautiful sear. And we want flavor. Next, those onions, thinly sliced, almost transparently thin. This ensures they caramelize evenly and melt into the sauce, providing that essential sweetness and depth without any chunky bits. And remember, precision here saves you time and guarantees an even cook later. Don't be lazy. Put in the effort. Right, listen up. Get your largest, heaviest pot. A Dutch oven is perfect, onto a medium-high heat. We're looking for that pan to get gloriously hot. Now, add your 1/2 cup of golden ghee. Let it shimmer, just on the verge of smoking. This is crucial for flavor development. Carefully place your beef shanks into the hot ghee, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Work in batches if you need to. We want a deep, caramelized crust on every single piece, locking in all those juices. Don't touch them for a few minutes. Let that Maillard reaction work its magic, giving us incredible depth. Once that beef is beautifully seared and has taken on a gorgeous golden brown hue, remove it from the pot. Now, into that same flavorful ghee, toss in your thinly sliced onions. Stir them constantly, allowing them to soften and turn a beautiful, translucent golden brown. Be patient. Don't rush this step, as perfectly caramelized onions form the sweet, aromatic base of our Nihari. As they start to deepen in color, add your generous dollop of ginger garlic paste, stirring it in for about a minute until fragrant, making sure it doesn't burn. Unlocking those incredible